Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be turning this old and used braiding hair into this beautiful gorgeous crochet coils, or should I call it Jamaican bounce crochet coils? At least that was what I was going for. So guys, if you want to see how I achieved this, then sit tight, fasten your seat belts, cause I'm about to take you for a jolly ride. So guys, it's really funny how I came up with this style because I was really racking my brain for what I'm going to do to my hair, because I'm not about to keep buying new hair extensions every 1 to 2 weeks. You know, a girl has to save that coin, if you know what I mean. Anyways, I remember this used braiding hair that I had from this style that I made and carried for only about 2 weeks some time ago, and thank goodness I didn't throw out this used hair. And I thought to myself, why don't I make Jamaican bounce out of this used hair? So guys, just a little tip. Don't throw out that used hair, because you never know when it will come in handy on a rainy day. You can always tweak things around. As you guys can see, I am cutting the hair in the middle and I'm stretching it out, because what you don't want to do is use hair with blunt ends. And for those of you that don't know how to stretch braiding hair, I've got you sis. I have a video on that and I'll be sure to leave a link to that video in the description box below. So now that I'm done stretching out the hair, this is what it looks like. So for the next step, you have to get some flexi rods. In this video, I am using about 40 of these large flexi rods. You can use smaller size flexi rods if you're going for the smaller looking coils. Whatever works your boat, girl, it is up to you to decide. I was going for the Jamaican bounce look, hence the large size rods. You'll also need any hair cream of your choice and a rat tail comb. Wait a minute guys, let me just quickly say this. If you're watching me for the first time, you're welcome to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the notification bell as well, so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. Alright guys, let's continue. So what you need to do is first take out the desired amount of hair from the bulk and then apply hair cream to it. Then you comb out the hair using rat tail comb, making sure that the hair is smooth. Then you place the middle of the hair on the flexi rod, as you can see, and then you twist the hair while wrapping it around the flexi rod. So this first twist will make the first root. We are going to be making 2 roots on each rod. So you repeat the earlier steps using another braiding hair, except this time you'll be twisting and wrapping the hair in between the first root on the same rod. So you go ahead and do the same for all the rods. By the way, I used 40 rods, so I got 80 roots of the Jamaican bounce crochet at the end. So once you're done, the next step is to boil water in a pot, and then you add hair conditioner to the water. You can use any hair conditioner that you have. I'm using silicone hair mix conditioner for no reason in particular. I just felt like using it. When the water starts boiling, put the flexi rods in the boiling water and cover the pots for about 5 minutes. Then you use a spatula to help fully immerse the rods in the water. After that, you take out the rods and place them out to dry for at least 24 hours. After drying, you take out the roots gradually so you don't create frizz. Just make sure that the roots are completely dried before you take them out. So guys, after taking out the roots, this is what they look like. Now I'm going to show you guys how I installed this beautiful Jamaican crochet roots. Guys, I went ahead off camera to put my hair in a 2-step cornrows. So you need to pick up one of the crochet roots and then start taking it apart from the middle, and you have to do this gradually so you don't end up creating frizz. Once that's done, you crochet the roots into your cornrows as normal. Once you get to the section of the cornrows that you want to make your pot, instead of pulling out the 2 ends of the roots, you pull only one instead. Anyways guys, if you want to see a more detailed explanation on how to crochet, then I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. we have finally come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did while filming. If you did enjoy this, please give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. And if you have any thoughts, questions or comments, please be sure to let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.